So, you want to get a 3D printer, do you? Oh, there we are. That's a good idea then. Until it turns out like this shit bear. Look at this. Oh, God, look at that. It's just, anyway. Look at it. Look. Yes, already we want a 3D printer. Till it turns out like absolute crap, like this. I mean, it can't even do a couple. Hey, what a mess of that. Look at it. I shouldn't release these until they're absolutely perfect. Because you're paying the price for perfection, not for this crap all the time. Yeah, well, yeah, there you go. Want a 3D printer? Yeah, look at it. Absolute bloody garbage. Look at that. Oh yes, it's the bed adhesion, this, that, and the other. Yeah. It's not bloody working, that's the problem. It's not working properly. It's an absolute load of bollocks. Look at it. Waste of time, waste of money. Try it on another machine. Oh, fed up with it now. Bloody rubbish.